Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set a data limit for mobile hotspot on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get started. First thing first, we have to open our settings application. And after we have the settings application opened, we can go to the connection setting, this one. Click on the connection and then you can select the mobile hotspot and tethering. Then go to the mobile hotspot and you can click on this option. Then you will find the set data limit option. Just click on it and here you can set your mobile data limit. For example, I'm just going to enter 1000 MB. Then we can click on OK. And now the data limit has been set. Alright guys, and that's how we can set data limit for mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.